Hello girls, today we will see percentage. So what is percentage? It is a special kind of fraction. We can also say that percentage is a ratio with 100 as a denominator, and in the third point I've written its symbol. So basically you can say that percentage means out of 100. Alright, for percentage we need to have 100 as its denominator. Whenever we are going to put this into a fraction, wherever the percentage is involved, there the denominator will always be 100. Alright, the numbers which show 20%, if you change it into a fraction, it becomes 20 over 100. So if we have numbers written as 25%, we can write it as 25 over 100. So 25% means 25 over 100, means 25 out of 100. And if the number is written as 11 over 100, we can write it as 11%. 11 with the symbol of percentage. So that will be read as 11%. A question says, write the following as a fraction. Now, we are given the number in percentage, 63%. We have to write it as a fraction. So as I said before, wherever percentage is involved, we have to show it. We have to write when in the fraction it means over 100. So this will be 63 over 100. Why? Because here we have the symbol of percentage, and this symbol actually represents 100. So here we are saying that 63 out of 100. Okay, here we are given a fraction and we have to convert it into percentage. Alright, our question is given in fraction and we have to convert it into percent. We have to tell how many percent it shows. 17 over 50. So simple, what are we going to do is 17 over 50 multiplied by 100%. Because we have to convert it into percentage, and percentage means out of 100, so we have to multiply it by 100%. Now, if you look at the numbers, you have 17 over 50 multiplied by 100. So 50 and 100 are multiples. So we can do the cancellation here. We can say 51 times and 52 times is 100. So what are we left with? We have 17 multiplied by 2%. And we know that 17 2 times 2 7 times is 14. 1 goes here. 2 1 times 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So that makes 34%. I'm explaining again. 17 over 50. We have to convert it into percentage. So we will multiply the fraction by 100%. Then if we have multiples of the same number, we can cancel and then we multiply and we get our answer. Here the question says write decimal as percent. Now the question is given in decimal fraction 0.17. So we have to convert 0.17 into percentage. Now you know that whenever you remove a decimal, what do you get in its place in the denominator? 1, right? So when you are removing this decimal in its place here in the denominator, you get 1. And then you have to count the number of digits after the decimal. Here we have 1, 2. It means there will be 2 zeros written in the denominator with 1. And this becomes 100. So when we remove the decimal of this question I'm talking about here, 0.17, here we have removed the decimal, we have got 100 in the denominator, which means 17 over 100, which means 17%. So simply here we have removed the decimal and we have got our answer as 17%. In this question, we have to calculate 20% of 80. What will be 20% of 80? Basically, this is a finding question where of changes into the sign of multiplication. If you remember, we have done this in BODMAS rules. So 20% means 20 over 100. Of changes into the sign of multiplication, 80. So we have 20 over 100 multiplied by 80. Now this is a very simple question. We can cancel out things which are easily possible for us. We can cancel this 0 with this 0 over here. Now what do we have here? 20, 10 and 8. Now these are all multiples of a same number. For making things more simpler, what we can do is that 10 1 times is 10 and 10 2 times is 20. So we are left with 2 over 1 means 2 multiplied by 8 because this 0 has been cancelled over here. So 2 over 8 means 16. So basically when you are finding out what is 20% of 80, that gives you answer as 16. And girls, with this we have an activity on page number 62 which you have to do in your books with your teachers.